Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how you can remove the watermark on Canva. So if you happen to use a design that uses premium stuff, and this might include the watermark, then of course you might encounter this issue where you cannot download the project. So if you go to the download and we try to download it, then you will see this information that your design contains premium content. And we need to upgrade to Canva Pro. So obviously, as it states, we have to subscribe to Canva Pro. There is no way to, for instance, remove the watermark. If I select the watermark over here, I have the button remove watermark. If I click on it, then once again I will be greeted with this information over here. So unfortunately, if you want to use the design that uses premium stuff, or it has a template, it has the watermark, then unfortunately you need to get a Canva Pro. And now I am on an account that has Canva Pro, and as you can see I have used the same design, the same template, and now I don't have the watermark, and I can easily just download it as I wish, like so. So unfortunately, in order to get rid of the watermark, you have to actually get the Canva Pro subscription. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.